Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Is an amp coming off from heat? Yeah. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Could you give me a rundown of all the equipment and all of that in here?
I got two DC level 415, couple AMGs, two Woofer 2400s, Pioneer highs amp.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Nah.
You know what it's tuned to?
I think 45.
45? Okay.
Yeah, I think 45 hertz.
Okay.
Got some issues though.
Yeah. Hey, it's playing. Sometimes. Have you metered it yet?
Nah, I ain't never did
Have a meter? Can I see the back? The amp and all? Check it all out. If it's ugly, I'm fine. I've seen some weird stuff. What vehicle is this? Honda Accord. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
What are they wired to?
Half a piece?
Half ohm, half ohm? Okay. And you got your excess power?
Yeah.
Okay. One on this side too?
Yeah.
All right.
Gotta get it right though.
Got a fan keeping it cool?
Yeah.
Are these on your doors?
Yeah. Mids and highs.
Mids and highs amp, okay. All right.
Took a mile, she can't even walk. High as fuck, we can't even fuck. Throwed up on my truck, just my luck. That I caught a slut. Can't even fell asleep and woke up. lost for words. It's like I smoked a pound of herb, so please do not disturb. Feel like I drunk a pound of syrup, which started a half a bird. Can't even find the words, I'm so at a loss for words. I'm feeling like I took a perk, I'm at a loss for words. It's like I smoked a pound of coming, I didn't peep the signal. I'm feeling like I took a perk, I'm at a loss for words. It's like I smoked a pound of herb, so please do not disturb. Feel like I drank a pound of syrup, which started a half a bird. Can't even find the words, I'm so at a loss for words. I'm feeling like I took a perk, I'm at a loss for words. It's like I smoked.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.